Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute gingerbread kitty from Roblox Adopt. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start from the top and let's draw an angled line down to the left and then down to the right. Now let's do the same thing above it. Now from the sides, let's curve it down and in. Now let's hop up to the top and draw the ears. Let's start in the center and draw a point up to the right and back down. And the same thing on the left. Now inside each ear, let's draw that same shape. And again, let's add another triangle inside each one. Next, let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start by drawing the nose with an oval shape in the center here. Then two curves below it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the eyes with two large circles. Now let's move over to the sides and draw the whiskers. Let's start with two angled lines on the cheeks here. Then let's connect them at the end with the curve. Now let's do the same thing above and below it. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. And that's it for the head. Let's move down and draw the body next. From the sides, let's draw curves out and back in for the arms. Then from the bottom, let's curve it out and back in to the center. And the same thing for the other leg. Now let's move in and draw the details. Down the center of the body, let's draw 3 circles. Now on the arms, let's draw 2 stripes down here. And then one more set inside. Now let's move down and let's draw 2 angled lines on each leg like this. And then 2 more below it. And that's it for this cute gingerbread kitty. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!